Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can summon from a ticket banner, and there are some banner here that you can use the ticket, not a dragon stone. For example, this one that happening right now, but you have to buy the ticket with real money. But I want to show you this one. This is for free. This ticket, celebration summon ticket, you can get some old DFA unit, old Dokkan festival unit from this banner. Like this, you can multi summon if you have 7, and you can get 50 character if you do have 50 ticket. So you can claim the ticket in this Baba shop. Tap the Baba shop at the bottom corner of your screen. Go to the treasure. Let's swipe this one. Memorial Dragonstone 4. For your information, I'm a returning player here, so I didn't need claim this one, Memorial Dragonstone. So I will pick this one until 105. Exchange, type the exchange. Okay, let's get back to the summon. Tap the ticket, scroll down, and this one. I already get 112, so I can summon these two banner and allow to recruit 50 character. So give it a try to summon this free ticket. Summon the play of recruit character with celebration summon ticket to get 50 characters. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. Enjoy the game.